Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. First of all, open the Facebook Messenger application. On the home screen, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. You will see different options. Tap on archive. Here you will be able to see the archived messages. In my case, I don't have any archived message, but if you have so and you want to restore them, you can do it right here. And if you don't find your desired message from here, then go back, tap again on the hamburger icon, then tap on the settings gear icon at the top. In the settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on see more in account center. Next, tap on the option your information and permissions. Now tap on download your information. On the next screen, tap on download or transfer information. Select your Facebook account, then tap on next. After that, tap on specific types of information. Now here select messages and tap on next. Make sure that download to device is selected here. Tap on next. Now here tap on date range option and select the time period of which you want to see the deleted messages. Tap on save. Here you can also select the format of your choice. Tap on create files. Now here you can see that your request to recover the deleted messages has been sent. So open your Gmail account and keep checking for their response. They will share the information with you after its processing completes. And this is how you can discover deleted messages on Messenger.